Hi everyone, today we will build a simple shopping cart application with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. As you can see, we choose the products we want to add to the cart and add the product to the cart. We can increase or decrease the number of products in the basket. Let's get started. First, we create a div called container. Then we create a header. And we write the title with the #1 tag. Okay. Then we create a div called shopping. There will be a shopping icon inside. We use the font awesome library for this. Shopping. Okay. And we create a span called quantity to print this number of products. In initial value is 0. Okay. After the header, we create a div called list. This div will be empty. We will add product information here with JavaScript. We create a div called cart after the container. For this shopping carts, we write the title with the #1 tag. Then we create a new list called list cart. Okay. When we add the product to the basket, the products will be added to this div. After that, finally we create a div for the total price and close button inside the shopping cart. This div will be called checkout. The name of the first div will be total and initial value will be 0. Second div will be called close shopping and close. Okay, now let's move on to CSS. First, we add style to the body. Background color will be white. And font family, Montserrat. We add style to the container. Width will be 1000 pixel. And margin auto and transition 0.5 second. We add style to the #1 tag. It will be purple. Okay. And header, display grids and grid techniques columns, 1 fragment and 50 pixel, and margin top 50 pixel. Okay. We add style to the shopping. One minute. Okay. First the position relative and text align right. Okay. We add style to the icon. Font size 3 RAM. And color purple. Sharps of pointers. And we add transition effect. All 0.25 second and ease. Okay. shopping. The color will be light purple when the icon is hover. Okay. And we add style shopping and span. Backgrounds red. Border radius 50%. And display flags, justify content and align item center. Color white and position absolute. Top -5 pixel and left 80%. Padding 3 pixel from top and bottom and 10 pixel from left and right. Okay, it will be good. We add style to the list div. Which is the div we will add products to this div, and display grids, grid template columns, 3 and 1 fragment. Gap 20 pixel and margin top 50 pixel. Now let's add style to the cart div. And position fixed, top 0 and left 100%, width 500 pixel, and background color gray, light gray, border left 1 pixel, solid and purple. Height 100 v per height and transition 0.5 seconds. For when the card is active, we will create a class called active in JavaScript. Let's add style to this. Left calculates 100% minus 500 pixel. Okay. Active containers. Translates x minus 200 pixel. We add style to the h1 tag in the cart. Color will be purple. And font weight 300. Margin will be 0 and padding 0 from the bottom and top, and 20 pixel from left and right. Height 80 pixel. Display flags, align item center, and okay. Cart checkout. Position absolute. Bottom 0 and width 100%. Display grids. Grid template columns and repeat 2 and 1 fragment. And card checkout div. Background color will be purple. Color white with 100%. Height 70 pixel. Display flags. Justify content center. Align item center, and font weight will be bold. And cursor pointer. Okay. Select anti-hash child for the second element of the card checkout div. This is close button. Background color will be black. Okay, color white. Now let's move on to JavaScript. We will return to CSS for a few operations in a moment. First, let's define the variables. Sorry. Okay. List. List cards. We create a total. Sorry, we define the total. And we define body. And finally, we define quantity. Okay. Now we will add the add event listener to open shopping and close shopping. And body class list add item, and copy that for close shopping. Body class list remove item. Sorry, active. Okay, then we will create an array and add the products, information, and image. We define products. Okay, ID 1, name, products 1, image 1 PNG, price 2000. Let me copy that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 PNG, 5, 4, 3, and 2. We change price Okay, now we create an empty array called list cards. We will add the products and price information in the shopping cart here. We create a function called initApp. For which we loop the elements of the products. Parameters will be value and key. Now we will create a div. Let's new div. Humans create element. No. And new div class list add item. We use inner HTML and template literals. We define image. And value image. And we add value name. We add price. And convert to local string. And finally, we create a button. Add to cart. Okay, finally we add them to the list with app and child. Then we call the function initApp. So with that, open shopping. Oh, not open shopping. Okay. That's it. Now let's add style to the item in CSS. List item. Text align center. And background color. White padding 20 pixel. And box shadow 50 pixel and letter spacing 1 pixel. Transitional 0.25 seconds is, and border radius 8 pixel. Cursor pointer. Okay. List item hover. Background color will be light purple. Oh, we can change them. Okay. List item image width 90% and height 250 pixel. Okay. List item title font weight 600. List item and price margin 10 pixel. One item hovers title and price. List item hovers and title and price. Color white. It's good. List item button background color white and color purple, font size 1 gram, font weight 600, width 100% and padding 10 pixel. Okay, border 3 pixel solid purple, border radius 8 pixel, cursor pointer. We add transition effects. No, transition 0.25 seconds is. List item button hover and background colors will be purple and color will be white. I like that. Now we create a function called add to cart. Its parameter will be key. If list cards key is equal to null, we copy the product from the list to list cart, so we add it to the shopping cart. For this we will convert the product to JSON format and then use JSON parse. For this, list cards key is JSON parse, JSON stringify products key. After that list cards key quantity is equal to 1. Then call the below cart function. Okay, let's create the below function. And first, list cards inner HTML is empty. Then we create a variable called count. Its first value will be 0 and we create a total price Okay. Then we loop list cards with for each. The parameters will be value and key. Total price is equal to total price plus value price. So the price of the product count is equal to count plus value quantity. So the number of products. If value is not equal to null, we create a div called new div. List element. Now we are going to make additions to the new div. There will be product information and increase, decrease buttons in this shopping cart. New div inner HTML. We use template literals and we create an image. Sorry for this. Okay, after that we defined title, and value name. After that class name card price, value price to local string. And we create an increase and decrease button. Okay. We add a background color. Background color will be purple. And class will be cards button, and on click change quantity function, and parameters will be key. And value is value quantity -1. And we copy that for increase button, value quantity +1. Okay. After the if methods, and total inner text is equal to total price to local string, and quantity inner text is equal to count. Okay, now let's move back to CSS. List cards Lee display grid template columns 100 pixel and repeat 3 and 1 fragment, color white, wow gap 10 pixel, list cards Lee div display flags, justify content and align item center, and after that list cards image with 90%, list cards count margin 0 pixel top and bottom and 10 pixel from right and left. Colors will be black, card title and card price, color will be black. And finally, let's add style to the card button. Okay, width and height 28 pixel. And color will be white. Font size 1.5 RAM. And font weight 500. Border radius 50%. Display flags and justify content and align item center and cursor pointer. We test them. Oh, sorry for that. -1. And okay. Okay, not problem. Now we will create a last function for the number of products in the shopping carts. We create a function called change quantity. Its parameters will be key and quantity. If quantity is equal to 0, delete list carts key. Else list cards key quantity is equal to quantity and list cards key price is equal to quantity times products key price. That's it. Now let's test the app. We add 2 products to the carts. Oh, we call load cards. Okay, when the number of products increases, both the number of products decreases. Okay, when the number of products is 0, the products is deleted from the list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video.